Hey guys, welcome to day 37 of 100 Days of Code. Today we're going to be learning about advanced authentication methods using the header, and we're also going to be learning how to make post, put, and delete requests using the requests module. And once we've learned all of that, we're going to be building a habit tracker. This lady is Simone Gertz, and she's somebody who I really admire. She makes all sorts of useless robots, that's what she says, but they're actually really fascinating. And one of the products that she brought out through Kickstarter was this habit tracker, where you could go to it every day and just tap on today's date. So if you wanted to meditate every day, or if you wanted to read 500 pages of a book every day, then you could track your habit. And because it's continuous, it makes you really want to continue your streak and not break the line. So we're going to be using technology to build a digital version of that today. And we're going to be using an API called Pixella. This comes from a Japanese developer, and it's really awesome. It allows you to track your habits, but not just show which days you've done your habit, which days you haven't, but it also shows the intensity. So, for example, maybe you want to track how many pages you're reading every day. You want to build a reading habit. Well, you can see that on certain days, you're really reading a lot and you're hitting a streak, but then on other days, even though you are doing some reading, because the color is lighter, it means that you read fewer pages. And over a year's time, you can see your entire progress and you can see your habit being tracked day by day, which I think is really awesome. This is what we're going to end up building. You can take any example or any habit you want to build. So in my case, I want to try and cycle every day, and I'm logging how much I'm cycling in terms of kilometers. And you can see that certain days I cycled a lot and other days I cycled a little bit less. But I can see which days I've missed out on cycling and try to keep up with the momentum and the streak. Maybe you want to keep track of how long you're spending every day learning to code. Or maybe you want to track how long you're meditating every day. Or maybe you want to track how many lengths in the pool you swam. Whatever habit it is you're trying to build, I'm sure that by the end of today's project, you're going to have a tool that's going to help you achieve your goals. So once you're ready, let's get started by heading over to the next lesson.